Hey everyone, welcome to Life with GRIZZ. I'm GRIZZ. Hi, how you doing? Today we're at the 2025 Bigfork Whitewater Festival. If you saw my previous post around a year ago, I posted another video on this, on the rafts. Today I am going to post videos on the kayaks. And then tomorrow is raft day, so we'll see if I get that or not. So sit back, enjoy. It's nice, beautiful day. It's going to be high 70s, and of course I didn't wear no shorts, but I did bring Brody. And Brody, hi Brody. Maybe not. So, but anyways, I'm going to let him play and wade in the river a little bit, but keep him on a tether so he's not floating away with the rapids. All right. Brody, say.
Ranger.
Brody, good boy. Brody, sit. That's a good boy. Walking up to the waterfall section. Thank you for joining us, Life with GRIZZ. This is the 2025 Bigfork Whitewater Festival. Last year we were here, it was raining pretty good. Had to wear the muck boots. Today we're gonna have mid 70 degree weather. Still walking. It's around 3/4 of a mile maybe to the big rock. And if you saw my video last year, that's where Brody and I were positioned ourselves. Watched a lot of good rapids up over there. The big rock is known for waterfall, and then they do open up the inlet at 100% to fill in Flathead Lake. We made it to the small little trail going to Big Rock. There's Brody. Brody and I enjoying the rapids. Welcome to Life with GRIZZ. Brody found a little watering hole here. The first thing he did is he lied down in it. So got a good view here. And then that's the big falls. And then right there, two trees, is the big rock. And it's nice and quiet. Brody has his own personal little hot tub or cold tub. So let the festivals begin. Still waiting. Oh, there's one. Hi, Brody. Brody hanging out in the shade, nice and comfortable. This is a perfect spot. He has that little waiting area to go in the river. And then he has the shaded area that he can lie down. So he is like super comfortable. And here it is. There's the big rock. And there is where I'm going to be that'll be it for the day 2 video. Spots. After reading some rude people, I had my own little private little cove, and everyone started coming in. Brody, get over here. Come on, sit down. Yeah, it's so crowded. I mean, there's so many rude people. There's a rude lady that came in and she told me to please control your dog. Well, I was in that private little area, an old bitter lady that sucks on prunes. God, I hate mean people. So, time to venture and go to a different location. Found a better spot. Brody even liked it. He took a dip. You gonna go in the water? You're wet, buddy. Hi, Brody. Hi, buddy. You having fun? Yes, this is the follow course. You have to go around that area buddy. Oh, he's a wet little mop. I love you too, buddy. Well, that's about it. I'm ready to get out of here. It's getting overcrowded for moi. I'm not one for crowds. Just a lot of rude people coming in here from out of state and not being happy. And they definitely don't like dogs. Go figure. So I hope you like Life with GRIZZ, this little section here. Tomorrow's gonna be a little bit better, or much better. I'm gonna be on the other side of the lake, and tomorrow's the rafts. The rafts are definitely a lot more comical. Waiting to see what they do at the end. Last year they put a raft on top of a raft and went over the big falls. So, oh boy. All right, buddy. All right. Thank you for watching Life with GRIZZ. Until next time, take care.
I said, Grandpa, what's this picture here? It's all black and white and it ain't real clear. Is that you there? Was 11. Times were tough back in 35. That's me and Uncle Joe just trying to survive the county farm. Great Depression. Looked like we were scared to death, like a couple of kids just trying to save each other. Should have seen it in color. This one's here taking overseas in the middle of hell back in 43. But wintertime, you can almost see my breath. That was my tale down to Johnny McGee. He was a high school teacher from New Orleans, and he had my back right through the day we left. Thank you. If it looks like we were scared to death, like a couple of kids just trying to save each other, you should have seen it in color. And the pictures worth 1,000 words, but you can't see what those shades of gray keep covered. You should have seen it in color. This one here is my favorite one. This is me and Grandma in the summer sun, all dressed up. There we sit our backs. You can't tell it here, but it's hot that June. That rose was red and her eyes were blue. And look at that smile, I was so proud. But that's the story of my right there in black and white. And it looks like we were scared to death, like a couple of kids just trying to save each other. You should have seen it in color. Pictures worth 1,000 words, but you can't see what those shades of gray keep covered. You should have seen it in color. Should have seen it in color. Should have seen it in color. Looks like we were scared to death, like a couple of kids just trying to save each other. You should have seen it in color. A picture's worth 1,000 words, but you can't see what those shades of gray keep covered. You should have seen it in color. You should have seen it in color.